Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. So I have a quick video. It's like an impromptu video because I just received something in the post today, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. If you're new to YouTube and you haven't really made your first paycheck yet, this is what to expect and the process you have to go through to get it. So without further ado, let's get started. So basically, I received my first obviously the first step towards getting my paycheck from YouTube. So I received my AdSense personal identification P.I.N number, obviously P.I.N. So inside the P.I.N, it gives you all the steps that you need to go through to set up your verification details and everything, and that will help you towards the next step of getting your your check sent to you, or your payment, however you prefer to be paid. So so here I've got my P.I.N. Here it gives you all the steps that you need to take to set up your P.I.N, or to obviously submit your P.I.N basically. So it's dead easy. Step 1, you just log into your AdSense account. Step 2, onto the payment. Then 3, account information, and then it will ask you to put in your P.I.N, and then you put it in and submit it basically. So when you do that, it will tell you the status of your account, and then obviously show you how much you due to be paid out. And so when they receive that, then they will email you, and all the other processes will follow suit. But yeah, I thought I'll come and share this with you guys in case you're not familiar with what happens before you receive your money. For you to be able to get this, you have to obviously have over 10,000 views on your YouTube, and you'll be getting adverts and everything. So that's how you get your revenues and everything. So yeah, if you receive something like this, it comes in something like this, and obviously with your address and your details and everything. So this is what to expect. It will come in the post. So when you receive that, you're just gonna go ahead and set up that part of the information that they need from you. And once you get that sorted, then obviously when you have enough money, the threshold that the country where you're in is allowed, then they will go ahead and send you your payment for that month. I think they paid every month, like a month ahead, like you know how salaries are paid basically. So for month of June, they'll pay you in July, something like that. So I'm not quite sure, but that's a rough idea. So that's pretty much what you need to do. And I thought I'd come and share it with you guys in case you're new to YouTube and you haven't really received your first paycheck and you don't know what to expect, or the processes you have to go through to get it. But obviously you have to have an AdSense account to be able to be monetized and all that. But yeah, I thought I'd come and share it with you guys. I hope this video helps. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop it on the comment box below, and I will try my best to answer it. Check out my other videos. Subscribe if you're new. If you haven't already subscribed, if you're new here, hello. If you're old, thank you for showing love, and continue to do so, and I shall see you in my other videos. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day ahead. Bye guys. Bye.